Hello and welcome to the 13th match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Creative Kids Learning Academy from St. Andrew up against a solid base prep from St. Catherine. And interesting to note, it's not just school versus school, it's husband versus wife, as one of the coaches of CKLA is actually married to one of the coaches of solid base prep. So this is going to be an interesting match. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss solid base prep one. They decided to have CKLA play first. So, CKLA, we begin with you. We begin in Bible knowledge. Which 2 books of the Bible are named after women?
Esther and Ruth. Esther and Ruth.
That's correct. Solid base Bible knowledge. What was the name of Ruth's second husband?
Boaz.
That's right. Creative Kids Science. What's the collective name for the tubes running throughout the body that carry the blood?
Veins.
That's incorrect. It's blood vessels. Solid base science. What's the name of the organ in the body that can be measured to be about the size of a human fist?
The heart.
That's correct. Creative Kids Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
J.C. Hutchinson. J.C. Hutchinson.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Solid base Jamaican Affairs, a visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
Senator, that's correct. CKLA English language, what's the comparative form of complete?
More complete. More complete.
That's right. Solid base English language, what's the superlative form of the word hollow?
Most hollow. Most hollow.
That's incorrect. It's hollowest. CKLA television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
He's in a movie director. Angela Bassett.
That's incorrect. It's Octavia Spencer. Solid base television, another visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Paula Patton.
Paula Patton.
That's correct. CKLA general knowledge. Who plays the role of the Gordo in the former Disney Channel series Lizzie McGuire?
Ross Lynch.
That's incorrect. He's Adam Lambert. Solid base general knowledge. Who plays the role of Corey Baxter in the former Disney Channel series That's So Raven?
Cedric the Entertainer.
That's incorrect. It's Kyle Massey. CKLA social studies. What's referred to as shock waves from an earthquake that travel through the ground?
Seismic waves.
That's right. Solid base social studies. What's referred to as smaller earthquakes that happen after a large earthquake?
Aftershock. Aftershock.
That's correct. CKLA music. How many keys are on a standard piano?
64.
That's incorrect. It's 88. Solid base music. How many of the keys on a standard piano are black?
32.
32.
That's incorrect. It's 36. CKLA mathematics. 144 months is the equivalent of how many years?
12. 12.
That's right. Solid base mathematics. A baseball game has 11 innings. If you pitched a ball 12 times per inning, how many times did you pitch?
132 times.
132 times.
That's correct. CKLA sports. Visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andre Green.
That's incorrect. It's Antonio Valencia. Solid base sports. Visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Eden Hazard.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is Ashley Cole. And that bell signifies the end of section 1 with Creative Kids Learning Academy on 5 points, Solid Base Prep on 6 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, try to eat your meals with the rest of the family. It's tempting to eat dinner in front of the television, but dining at the family table reduces snacking and teaches valuable social skills. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 returns after this.